Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Gonna be doing a kind of a weekend in the life video here. Gonna show you guys Friday, Saturday, and Sunday this week. So yeah, let's go and get things started. All right, guys, currently about 8:30. Just got down to the setup here. Going to be opening up the charts and starting to mark things up in the morning. Show you guys the new setup here. Got a few more additions coming for the desk, but went for a more simple, studio type vibe. Really all you need is a laptop and one screen, to be honest. So that's kind of what I'm going for here. All right, guys, we just got the morning newsletter sent out to the Discord group over here. Gonna be an interesting day in the market. Massive sells coming through. This market's been absolutely insane, just crazy volatility, both up and down. So just gonna be extremely patient today and see if we can get any setups. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the charts. These charts are getting really scary really fast, guys. I mean, these hourly sells that we've been seeing are just absolutely nuts. Extreme volatility, like I mentioned. So probably just going to be a lot of sitting on hands today, guys. That's the plan. Like I said, I just sent out the morning newsletter here, just going over some levels and different areas that I'm watching. But as far as like actual actionable trade items, it's pretty tough. Pretty tough right now. So like I said, we'll see if we can get anything today. All right, guys, we did end up catching along there with the Discord. Time's currently about 11:15. We caught it about 10:30. I'm gonna flip around the camera here and show you guys the trade that we took. This market is absolutely insane, by the way. I mean, we're getting 200-point 5-minute candles on NQ, ES, every single 1-minute candle's 10 points. So definitely have to size down in this market and make sure that you're, predefining your risk, because that's huge in trading, and especially in a market like this where the volatility is just through the roof. But that being said, we caught about a 9-point long. It was a 2-3 minute 9-point long, which is absolutely insane. I'm gonna flip around the camera here and show you guys the trade that we took. This is 10 o'clock here, just massive sells after that 10 o'clock hour. Kind of based out here around 10:15. Minor bullish structure here on the 1 minute. We have like a 3 candle potential reversal pattern there, and once they came down and stopped out, anyone who tries to get long in here sets their stop below here. They stop all those longs out, and then we get a nice move back up. And I entered on the retracement. I'm going to show you guys here. I entered on the retracement of about 50% of this pop from this stop run low. I entered on the 50% retracement here. 53.4950 was my exact entry. I mentioned in Discord, I'm sizing smaller because I do want to be able to risk the bottom of this range that we created, which is about 7 points, which is more than I like to risk. I told him I was sizing for a typical 4-point loss, right? So if I would have lost 7 points, it would have been like me typically losing 4 based off my size. We ended up seeing maybe a point of drawdown, 3 ticks of drawdown, and just absolutely ripped up towards my target here at 59.50, about 10 points. I closed the trade fully at 58.50, 9 points in profit. Like I said, it was about a 1 to 2 minute 9-point trade, guys. Absolutely insane here on ES. So I mentioned around 10:26 that I was watching for some potential long, smaller size, because I mentioned earlier in the day, like, this market is nuts. I was telling everyone to be careful, man. Like, this is the type of market that will absolutely burn you if you're wrong, right? But I did end up getting, so I mentioned at 10:26 I'm watching for longs. That was after we had swept these lows down here at this 10:21 candle. So on the 10:26 candle right here, this is where I mentioned that I was interested in longs. I mentioned that I was getting long 53.4950, and it was just an immediate pop. Like, I was scaling half, probably 5 points in profit around this area, and then just closed full there, 9 points in profit. It was just an absolutely insanely quick trade, but it paid also very nicely. So that was today's trade, guys. About a 2-minute trade, which is just crazy to think that you can make that amount of money in 2 minutes. But yeah, done trading for the day. Like I said, guys, this market's just insane. I mean, it's extremely volatile, and you have to, cover your risk first off. I mean, like I said, I sized down because I knew that I needed to risk more on the chart due to the volatility, which I think is a huge thing to recognize, right? You have to be able to understand the amount of volatility in the market and kind of adjust your sizing based off of that. So yeah, I'm definitely done trading for the day. That was an absolutely insane trade. Like I said, 9 points on the day, 13 points on the month so far, 2 days into the month. So 2 for 2 on the month so far. But yeah, let's see what else we can get into, guys. Just got some fresh espresso here. I'm gonna put out a recap of the trade that we just took in the journal. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys the journal again. I think I showed you in the last video, but been journaling all my alerts for the Discord, just with some notes on my thought process and, you know, playing going into the trade. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Here's the journal, guys. So yesterday we had about a 4 or 5 point long with some notes there, and then today we caught 9 points, and I'm about to put in some notes there as well. About 5 o'clock, guys, headed to dinner. Gonna do a little date night with the wife and our daughter. Just gonna go to this little South American restaurant. So I'll see you guys whenever we get there. Got to destroy this. Gotta get the ice cream for the date night. Alright guys, so it's about 7:30, just got home. Just gonna call it a night here. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. And then we're gonna be heading to the golf course tomorrow afternoon. Morning guys, Saturday morning, it's about 7:30. We're headed to the farmer's market, gonna grab some produce for the week and then get some breakfast as well. So I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, about 9:45, just got back home. About to start working on editing this video, and then I'm headed to the golf course around 11:30. Alright guys, just got to the course, about to tee off here in about 10 minutes, so I'll show you guys a few swings and yeah, see what we can shoot. Just finished up the round there, guys. No footage from the course today. Ended up not taking any videos of the swing or anything, but ended up shooting a 79, played 18, shot a 79. One birdie and just bogeys, I think. No doubles or anything like that, just all bogeys, 9 bogeys and a birdie, and then a couple pars. But you know, decent day. It was a fun day with the boys, but I'm about to head home, probably pick up some dinner on the way home, and call it a night, guys. I'll probably show you guys some food later and see if we get into anything, and if not, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So got the steak salad and a little cheeseburger. Morning guys, got the coffee here, Sunday morning. About to watch some church with the fam, and then I think we got some plans later with some friends, so just gonna hang out around the house, try to do a few chores, and get ready for the week. And then I think we got plans later this afternoon with some friends. We're gonna meet some friends for some wine later, I think. So headed to meet some friends at this wine bar, guys. Gonna grab some food and a couple drinks and hang out for a little bit. Hopefully we'll get some good wine and some good food, and then probably just call it a night. Go back, look at the charts a little bit, get ready for tomorrow, get ready for the week.
I think it's like not like a bird.
You take, you know.
Just got home, guys, about 8 o'clock. That was a really nice dinner. Just gonna finish editing up this video, get it posted, and then look at some charts for probably about 30-45 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you don't mind dropping a like, a comment, and subscribe if you guys are new. Appreciate all the support, appreciate everyone hanging out, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.